So come, I'll show you a magic. So let's say I'm going to type hey on this WhatsApp chat. So I'm going to type hey and I am going to send this hey. And once we send this hey, an automatic reply will be generated. It is saying, hi there, how can I help you today? So I'm going to ask my query, which is show me available rooms for 2 adults this weekend, and I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, you're going to see within seconds and in real time this AI assistant is going to reply me. And as you can see, this AI assistant is replying me. You're going to see this sharing me the room categories, price, and the rest of the details related to the room. So yes, now let's ask another question. But first, you must be wondering how this AI assistant knows about my business or my hotel. So as you can see that I've created this knowledge base and I've uploaded this knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only it is sharing me the price and the rest of the details. So now let's ask another question. Let's say I'm going to ask this question, do you allow pets? And I'm going to copy and paste it right over here, and we're going to wait for the reply of this AI assistant. And yes, you're going to see within seconds it is saying yes, we allow small pets. And as you can see that this is the same answer which we have written over here. Now let's ask another question, is airport pickup free? And I'm going to send this message, and within seconds and in real time the AI assistant is going to reply to this query too. And yes, you're going to see it is going to reply exactly the same which we have uploaded over here in our knowledge source. So yes, you can see now I'll show you how to create this AI assistant. So for that you have to open the AI assistant window of Pabbly chat flow. So how you can get over here? So first, if you are a new user, you have to go in the description box below. You're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly chat flow. Go on that URL, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So go and sign up for free and sign up inside Pabbly chat flow, and you're going to get 100 credits free every month to explore Pabbly chat flow. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly chat flow and open this AI assistant. Once you are a new user, you have to go to this left end of the site, click on this AI assistant, and then you're going to get the option of add AI assistant. So you have to click on add AI assistant, name your assistant, and a window something like this will appear in front of you. Now I'll tell you how you can create this AI assistant. So first you have to select the instruction type. So if you wish, you can definitely select it as custom prompt and give a custom prompt. But we have some pre-built examples to help you, like the AI agent, customer support agent, and sales agent, and much more. So I'm going to select one from this only. Let's say I'm going to select this sales agent, and you're going to see automatically the instructions are written. And now if I want, I can definitely edit this instructions, or else I can keep it as same too. Now let's move in further. The next which we have is this temperature. So over here we have to set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. And if we move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused and vice versa. So over here, if I move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep it as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now for the AI to use, I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, I'm going to go towards my OpenAI API key page. And now what we have to do is we have to click on this create secret key. We have to name the key, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. And as you can see, the key has been created. So you have to copy this key and paste it in your AI assistant and click on this connect. And once you click on this connect, yes, you can see OpenAI key saved successfully. Now let's move on further. The next we have is this AI assistant settings. So over here you can do these settings, like if you wish to add a header or a footer message, you can simply switch on this button and add a header or a footer message. You can add maximum to 60 characters. I'm going to switch it off because I don't want to add the message which is header or a footer message. The next which we have is the stop keywords. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the keywords to stop the AI assistant. So you have to type the keyword and then press enter, and then the keyword will be added. So you can add multiple keywords like this. It is really important that you type the keyword and then press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. Alright, so now after adding this keyword, what is going to happen that now whenever my user is going to type this keyword and send it to the chat, the AI assistant is going to stop and the AI assistant is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to assign that user again the AI assistant. So let's say the user wants to speak to a human, so you can add a stop keyword named human, that whenever your user is going to type human, automatically their chat will be moved towards the manual review section, which is the intervene section. The next which we have is this retrain retry attempts. If you wish, you can definitely specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant key fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2 right over here. Now the next which we have is this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So let's say your user has some emergency, so you can add your support email address in this AI assistant so that user can contact you on email if they have some emergency. So as you can see that I have added my support email address, and now let's move on further. The next which we have is this knowledge source. So as I mentioned that I've used this knowledge source, all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this knowledge source. And how you can do this? First, you have to write the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc. Then you have to go to this file, and then you have to go to this download and download this in TXT or PDF format. I'll suggest you download this in TXT format because that is preferred. Because for PDF, we don't have any page limit for text PDFs. But if you upload a PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it depends upon you. I'll suggest you go for TXT format. You can download it simply by going to this file, download, and then TXT, which is plain text. Alright, I have already downloaded it, so let's upload it. I'm going to go to this choose a file, and I'm going to upload this knowledge source. And once we upload this knowledge source, you're going to see that we have received this vector ID, and also you're going to see this is the time and the date of uploading this. Alright, now let's go towards this AI interface, and now we have to give a heading. So over here I'm going to keep the heading as the name of my brand, which is this. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to enter it over here. The next which we have is this subheading. So if you wish, you can definitely edit this subheading too, and it will be edited over here too. The next which we have is this initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. You have to type the initial message and press enter, and the initial message will be added. The next which we have is this powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can enable or disable it right from here. It totally depends upon you. The next which we have is this footer text. So over here you can add this text to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. Same goes for the footer link. The next which we have is this user first message. So I'm going to keep it as hey. This message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. Alright, we have successfully completed this assistant interface. Now go towards this styling. So you can style your AI assistant. You can change the theme, the shape, the color, and the images too. It depends upon you how you want the AI assistant to look. You can change it right from here. Like you can see, it will change. Alright, so yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI assistant. So now let's switch it on. It is really important to switch it on, otherwise it will not be activated. And now we have to click on this save AI assistant. So now we have created this AI assistant, but now how can I use it for my business? So you have to go to this embedded. You're going to get the script. You have to copy the script and paste it on your website. And what is going to happen is that whenever this AI assistant is going to add it on your website, and then further whenever user is going to click on this start chat button, automatically they will be redirected towards WhatsApp. Automatically this AI assistant is going to solve all your user queries once they click on this start chat and message you on WhatsApp. The next what you can do is you can go towards this inbox section. Alright, so I'm just going to first go towards this inbox section. See, I want to assign this AI assistant to this contact, so I can go towards this choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant to this contact. And now whenever this user is going to message me, automatically the AI assistant is going to reply. And now if you don't wish to assign this AI assistant like manually to all your contacts, what you can do is you can go on this settings and then inbox settings, and you can assign this AI assistant to all your contact at once. You can go towards this enable AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list and the AI assistant you want to assign to this contact list. And if you wish to create a new contact list, go on this contact section and create the contact list. If you wish to learn about contacts or any another section of Pabbly Chatflow in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these features has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And you have to click on this save to save this settings. Alright, so yes, you can see inbox settings saved successfully. So yes, with this we have successfully created this AI assistant, and now let's test this once again. So I'm going to go on this WhatsApp. I'm going to clear the previous chat and start fresh. Once again I'm going to type hey, and I'm going to send this hey, and once I send this hey, the AI assistant is going to reply me, hello, how can I assist you today? So let's ask something from this knowledge source. Once again I'm going to go towards this FAQs, and let's say I'm going to ask this question, which is a really important and the frequently asked question, which is, do you provide early check-ins? So I'm going to type this and and I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, you're going to see within seconds the AI assistant is replying me. Alright, now I'm going to add another question. How do I modify or cancel my booking? And I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, yes, you can see that we have successfully received the reply over here, and the reply is exactly the same which we have entered right over here during this. So with this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant, and now I'll suggest you go and try this amazing AI assistant for your own hotel, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.